In the heart of the 21st century, a revolution was brewing, hidden within the intricate labyrinth of digital codes and encryption algorithms. This was no ordinary revolution. It was the birth of blockchain technology, a groundbreaking innovation that would forever change the way we perceive and interact with the digital world. The year was 2008. The financial crisis had gripped the world, shaking the very foundations of trust in the traditional banking system. Amidst this chaos, a mysterious figure, going by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, unveiled a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This document, simple in presentation but profound in content, laid the foundation for a new era. Satoshi's vision was straightforward: to create a decentralized digital currency that could be transferred directly between individuals without the need for intermediaries. This was a radical departure from the centralized banking system, where transactions were controlled by a select few. The heart of this innovation was the blockchain, a distributed database that recorded all transactions in a secure and transparent manner. Each block in the chain contained a unique cryptographic hash, a timestamp, and a record of multiple transactions. Once a block was added to the chain, it was virtually impossible to alter or delete its contents. The blockchain was designed to be self-regulating. It relied on a network of computers, known as nodes, to validate and verify transactions. In return for their efforts, nodes were rewarded with new units of the digital currency. This incentive system, known as proof of work, prevented any single entity from gaining control over the network. As the news of Bitcoin spread, the world took notice. Some hailed it as a solution to the financial crisis, while others dismissed it as a fad. Regardless, the potential of the blockchain technology was undeniable. In the years that followed, the blockchain evolved beyond its original purpose of creating a digital currency. It began to be adopted in various industries, from supply chain management to voting systems, demonstrating its versatility and potential. Today, the blockchain stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. It serves as a beacon of trust in a digital age, where transparency and security are paramount. The story of blockchain is far from over. It is a story of resilience, of revolution, and of the relentless march of progress. As we continue to explore its potential, one thing is certain: the digital future belongs to the blockchain.